In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform sprint planning with Jira. To get started, open your Scrum project in Jira, and click on Backlog in the left-hand navigation pane. This is where your upcoming work lives, and it's the main place you will use to prepare for a sprint. In the Backlog view, you can review your team's user stories, tasks, and bugs before deciding what should be worked on next. Once you are in the backlog, create a new sprint by clicking the Create Sprint button at the top of the backlog list. Jira will add a new sprint container for you, giving you a dedicated space to organize the work your team plans to complete during the upcoming sprint. This is the foundation of the planning process because it separates planned work from everything else still sitting in the backlog. Next, populate the sprint by dragging and dropping high-priority tasks, user stories, or bugs from the backlog directly into the new sprint container. As you do this, focus on the items that are most important and most ready to be worked on. It helps to move work that is clearly defined and aligned with the team's immediate priorities. This keeps the sprint focused and realistic. After that, set estimates and assign work while keeping your team's capacity in mind. Estimate the complexity of each task, usually using story points so the team has a shared understanding of the effort involved. As you assign issues to the appropriate team members, make sure the workload is balanced and practical for the sprint timeline. The goal here is not just to fill the sprint, but to build a plan your team can actually deliver. Once the work is taking shape, add a sprint goal. To do that, click the More menu on the sprint container and select Edit Sprint. Then define a concise, measurable goal that captures what the team is trying to achieve during the sprint. A strong sprint goal gives everyone a clear sense of direction and helps the team stay aligned when priorities compete during the sprint. When your team has reviewed the work and committed to it, click the Start Sprint button. Jira will ask you to confirm the sprint name, the duration, such as 2 weeks, and the start and end dates. After you confirm those details, Jira moves the issues into your active Scrum board and the sprint officially begins. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.